Alright, what's going on everybody? So today I'm going to be working on the office. I just moved it back into the bedroom and it needs a lot of love. It is looking kind of rough. As you can see back there, those are all kids' books, and here's the rest of the space. It's brown. It is this really terrible brown color, and the paint job was not done very well. Here's the bed. We're gonna do some stuff to fix that up. Right up there, whoever painted this did a wonderful job. A wonderful job. Alright, so we're gonna run out to Ikea, grab some stuff, we're gonna throw some paint on the walls, and we're gonna make this place look awesome. Alright, so we're on our way to Ikea, and as we're walking out, there's this guy, I don't know, trying to get people to sign his petition. And clearly, he goes, "Oh, excuse me, can I have a minute of your time?" Like, clearly, I don't have a minute. I got 2 kids in tow and I'm leaving. But then, I walk outside, and I thought he was peeking in the neighbor's window to see if they're home. I thought maybe he was just working extra hard to get his petition signed. But then Ash told me that he was looking at the neighbor's butterfly bird feeder because he was a hippie. He saw that thing and was like, "Oh, look at that beautiful butterfly." It's just so funny. Go. Run. 2 kids, one on the back, one on the front. Hey Silas, you want to ride on my back? You want me to carry you? Come on, man. So we got lost in Ikea. We had to run to the end because Silas had to pee. And then we tried to backtrack and we got lost and ended up at the end again. So now we're starting over again. Oh well. Come here. Let's go sit in these chairs. Which one do you like?
Black one. Here's that.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna hold it. Alright. Is that the one you like?
No. Look at me.
Hey, you can't climb up there.
Why?
Because you gotta only sit in the ones that are down here. So, we've looked at bed stuff, we've looked at the office stuff. Now we just need to look at lights and get our cover for the bed. And then I think we can actually get out of here.
For allergies. So, let's see, this one still has duck feathers, 25% duck feathers, but I want one that's 0. No duck feathers.
You heard the lady, no duck feathers. We need down alternative.
So feel the inside of this. Feel it, touch it with your hands. So it's more like comforter feeling than...
I like it. So it's the tilt part?
Yeah.
Is that it? Mm-hmm. There you go.
King's right there.
There we go. Lavender. King size. That's it.
Is that it? Now
That's
can
it.
we go home?
That's it. You want to hold it? Time to check out. Excuse me. Alright, we can finally get out of here. We have been here for like 2 hours. It's crazy. I'm so ready to go. We just gotta put our stuff in the car and then we're out of here. Honestly, there's one thing that we got that I am the most excited for.
Look,
Cinnamon rolls. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get to work. All right, we've got all of our stuff. Let's see what it looks like. And away we go. Boom! The project's finally complete. It only took me about 5 days to do. It's amazing what a little bit of paint can do, am I right? All right, well, let's go have a look. Alright, believe it or not, that is it for this week's episode. I needed some space. I do a video every single week, and I needed some space to, to edit, to shoot, to keep our gear. So we decided to soup this up and at the same time do the bedroom. So everything looks nice now. We've got a nice little space for ourselves, and I can do some work. So next week I will get back to the regular scheduled programming, and that's it. If you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more like these. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That's it. See you next week.